Hello, and welcome to Technology Education at LBJH Junior High. This is our annual open house week. In the past, we would have you here in our classroom getting to meet one another face to face. Unfortunately, with COVID precautions, we're choosing to do that virtually this year. But we're still happy to have you joining us online. This is an introductory Technology 8 classroom. In this class, we take skills learned in Tech 7 and build on those as we investigate a variety of aviation and engineering projects based on concept covered in class. This is a very hands-on class. Starting from the first week until the last, we are building, designing, and modeling in our room. It's very important that your child keep up with us and all the projects we have. The pace is very quick, and once you fall behind, it's extremely hard to get caught back up. Our projects are varied and many throughout the semester. As you can see with this following slide, we've got a variety of projects, from water rockets to air dragsters to magnetic levitation vehicles. We try and keep this as quick-paced and as hands-on as we physically can. A lot of students come to class just to build something, and I'm glad to have them here. As a parent, one of the biggest resources you have available to yourself is my website at LBJH Junior High School. Every week I post our grades, our projects, and our weekly agenda. And when in doubt, please check that website because all of our information is there. On our weekly planner, I also include due dates, materials that are needed for class, and projects that are inboard and oncoming. Those due dates are hard and fast. As one project ends, we quickly begin another. Infinite Campus and grades are updated twice daily, once at 7:30 in the morning and once at 2:30 in the afternoon before I head home. Grades are real time. What you see is actually what's going on. I don't hold on to papers, and I return papers the following day they're turned in. It's vitally important that I keep our students attuned of the success they're finding, and if they're struggling, ways in which I can help them be successful. We also run a 4-point grading scale in my classroom, with 4 being the best and 0 needing room for improvement. Let's go on a tour of the quick classroom to see what the Technology Lab is all about. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our classroom. It is by far one of the most technologically advanced rooms in the entire nation. The district has done a great job of providing us all the tools and equipment we need for our students to be successful and have opportunities to work on state-of-the-art technology. As you saw, we have multiple 3D printers, CNC routers, and laser cutters. In addition, we have an in-class spray booth where students can spray paint and paint without the fumes. As we move towards the back of the classroom, we've got a variety of woodworking tools, including band saws, drill presses, scroll saws, and table saws. Our Tech 8 students will be required to utilize all those tools to find success throughout our projects during the semester. When in doubt, if you ever have any questions or concerns about what your child is learning, please don't hesitate to call me. My contact information can be found on my Google website. In addition, it can be found on Infinite Campus as well. When in doubt, don't hesitate to ask. I really prefer a phone call over an email to make sure we have all of our loops closed. Once again, thank you for spending your afternoon with me during our open house. I'm excited to spend the day and the week in the semester with your child. I look forward to learning along with them as our semester progresses. Thanks for attending and have a great night.